Hey, what's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Abhinav Vengala and I am back with a new video. As most of you people are asking me to do a video on how to make a zip file and how to upload the zip file to the Wipro PJP or PBL app. So in this video I'm going to tell you all about this. So before getting into the video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos that are very much useful for you guys. So without any further delay, let's get started. So actually there are two different types of ways that is used so that you can convert some files into a zip file. So let me tell you the first way how you can convert different files into a zip file. Let us take these three documents. These three are text documents. Let me show you how to convert these three text documents into a zip file. The first technique is just select all these files and right click on them, and you can see send to option here, and after that you can find the compressed or zip folder. This is the option that you have to select. Just select on that and you can see here that you have got this i.zip file. You should give whatever name you want. Let me give Wipro and just click on enter. Now you can see this wipro.zip file is being generated, and now if you extract this zip file you will get all these three text documents which are compressed into this zip file. This is the first technique how you can convert the documents or files into a zip file. The second technique is, in the second technique you have to download a third-party application, that is WinRAR. I'll provide this link in the description below so that you can directly click the link and it will directly show you this screen. And after showing the screen you have to just ignore this buy option and just click on download WinRAR if your system is 64-bit. Otherwise if your system is 32-bit, then click here for 32-bit version. Then automatically this WinRAR will be getting downloaded, and then you have to just go to the installation process. And after installing the WinRAR software in your systems, same again, just take these three text files, select them. You can see here these four new options will be added to your menu. In these four you have to just click on compress and email option. Just click on it so that this pop-up will come up. So you have to give the name here as we have given last time Wipro. Just same you have to give Wipro, and you have to specify the extension with .zip file, and you can see automatically this RAR4 is changed to ZIP zip, and all the settings should be kept same and you should not modify any of the settings, and directly you have to click on enter or OK button, and automatically this will be creating on the background, and you will get like this error messages. Just ignore them and click on OK. Just close these things. These all are errors coming, but just ignore them, and you can see another Wipro zip has been created. Like this, these are the two steps by which you can do the zipping of 4 files. I have done only text files. You can also do other files like images or documents, Word documents, PDFs, etc. All can be done through the same process. Yes guys, now let's see how we can upload those zip files into your PBL app. So as I've already made a video on how to use the PBL app and what is Wipro PJP program. If you didn't watch that video, it will be in the cards and even linked in the description down below. You can just go there and watch that video also. It will be also very informative. But now I'm going to tell you how you can upload your zip files into the PBL app. First you have to just log in. Now you can see this option here like code completion tracker. Just you have to click on it. It will take you to a new tab, and now here you have to give your username and password. The username and password is same as your username and password of the PBL app. After logging in, you can see these are the different modules that you are having in the PBL app. So let me show you how you can do this. For example, if you are uploading a exercise from the HTML module, just click on this TM09 of the HTML module, and after that you have two options, project and exercises. According to what you are uploading, just select one of these two options. Let us see exercises. Then you have to just go to the browse. You can browse to which of the what is the zip you want to upload. Let us see, this is wipro.zip that we have created just now. Just open this. After this you have to just click on upload zip file. After clicking on upload zip file, the zip file will be automatically uploaded, and then you can see that the zip file will be uploaded here with the name of the zip file that you have uploaded. So like this you can upload your documents in the Wipro PBL app. After you uploaded the zip files in the code completion tracker, come back to the PBL app, and after that you can see these topics to learn is nothing but the exercises in that code completion tracker, and these mini projects are nothing but the projects in that code completion tracker. You can see these are the two mini projects, and these are the topics to learn, that is the exercises. You have to complete all these exercises that are there. Let us see, these are 5 exercises in this module, like layouts, tags and semantic tags. As there are 5 questions, you have to create these 5 answers separately, and after you have completed all these 5 answers, then you have to zip all those files into a single zip file, and you have to upload it in this code completion tracker. After that you have to come back to this PBL app, and then you have to just click on this status. This will be unchecked. You have to check it, and all the answers which you have uploaded, you have to just check it, and you have to click on update completion status. Then only it will be updated in these exercises, that how many exercises you have completed till now. Then you can go to the dashboard, and you can check that how much progress has been done in this PBL app. And that's all from this video. I hope most of your doubts have been cleared, and if you have many more doubts, just comment in the comment box below. I will answer, I will give you reply, and also if possible I will also another video to clarify your doubts. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and support us for making more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you next time.